Hello, all. I wanted to share with you information about my new meditations. They are updated and in this 5D energy that we're experiencing. And the reason I did it is to activate this new you and this new energy so that we can continue to flow with ease and grace, and how important it is to update your energy all the time. So to align your soul, because again, this is its soul. We are our souls, but we happen to be in a body, and we are certainly being asked to address our body in order for us to stay connected and stay in part of this change. So that's why I really feel like how important it is to do that. So the first, there are two um, meditations. One is the updated chakra clearing, and the second is about karma cleansing and clearing. It's updated, so it's the energy's faster, clearer. So it's part of our duty to address ourselves so that we can be the best that we can be in this moving forward into this new energy, and so that we can collectively work together. So I think it's really important to stay on track, because I know you're feeling the energy, and some are at different stages in your life. Some are starting to wake up. You're starting to understand that what's going on, and there are things that are happening. Things are coming to me quicker. I'm noticing more things. You're not crazy. You're not crazy, because we're all experiencing these energies in different ways. So I think it's most important that you understand your energy and your purpose. And in order to do that, you need to give yourself a break. Give yourself a break, but at the same time, regenerate and clear the energy so you can accept this new energy that's coming in. So when I say that, I want you to try to be aware of your reaction, and that maybe to just kind of a duality of these two realities, the 3D and the 5D, experiencing these lower frequencies and then moving out into those higher frequencies in order for you to flow. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to flow in that realm. It's like you're not swimming upstream, you're going with the flow, because you're connected with your soul, you're connected with your body, and what your body is asking, what your mind is asking, watching your reaction, your personality, your ego. All those things are part of this learning experience as we navigate in this new experience. So God bless. It's on my website. It's on all social media. So enjoy, and feel free to contact me, franbailey.shiva@gmail.com, if you have any questions, or we can do any consulting, 15-minute consulting, easy enough. So God bless. Do this at least a couple times a week. Feel the changes and shifts in order to go with the flow. All right. God bless. Thank you so much. Take care.